Hi Neha, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Hi, Saurabh sir. I'm good. I'm doing good.
Great. So for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Neha today with us in this session. She has recently completed her cybersecurity CEH certification training with I-MEDITA and also attempted the examination and passed the examination in the first attempt itself. So today in this session, we are going to discuss about Neha's experience during the training program, what kind of approach she took to prepare for the certification as well, about her industry background also, and why she opted for CEH cybersecurity certification training with I-MEDITA. So, hi Neha, welcome again, and let's get started. So, can you quickly give us an introduction about yourself? आपका background क्या रहा है अभी तक? कितने years का आपको experience है? A quick introduction, please.
Yeah, sure. Hi all. My name is Neha Bopre. I am currently working in Secure Systems Private Limited from past 3 years, and mainly I am working on therapeutic project on that. I have experience with IBM QRadar in Secure Systems Private Limited. Prior to my work at SecureView, I worked with Wipro for 1 year as an associate, and there are I work on network related tasks, especially on copper broadband. So I am basically from Amravati district, and I have completed my bachelor's degree and my diploma in electronics and telecommunication engineering. That's all about me.
Okay. So, you enrolled for CH training program. What motivated you to go for cybersecurity CH certification training?
First of all, I joined I-MEDITA in 2021, and I done my multi-track course here because I don't have knowledge after engineering. I don't have knowledge about network security, networking. So for that case, I joined I-MEDITA and multi-track courses. In that, I specialized with CCNA, CCNP, and then network security. After CCNA and CCNP, I got joined to the SecureView System Private Limited, and I started my job. So after some years, after 2 years, I thought that now I am working in security domain, but I don't have any certification of security domain. So first level of certification for since who want to work in security domain needs to do like it's very beneficial if you do the certification for CH. It's ethical hacking certification. So it motivates me to do ethical hacking certification. And in my last 2 years journey, I have completed my remaining course, that is Network Security Foundation. That one is remaining. After CCNA and CCNP, I joined the job role as a security engineer. So in between them, I completed my network security, and then now after 3 years, I thought that I would enhance my knowledge skills of security, because now I am working in security. So it motivates me to do the cyber security course like CH.
Great. Also, I would like to know because you mentioned that in 2021 you joined multi-track training program, and during the multi-track training program you got placed with SecureView, and after that, because you were dealing with security related things, you opted for CH certification program this year 2025. Okay. So I would like
Yes.
to know how was your experience during the training program, multi-track training program 2 years back, and how was your experience in this cybersecurity CH certification training program?
My overall experience is very good. When I joined the first of joined for multi-track, for I am very beginner that time. So for beginner, the trainers have provided me very good guidance, because when we coming from another background and we don't have knowledge about networking, so in that case we need some time to understand all the things related to the network that are new things to in front of us. So in that case, I try to learn that overall guidance gives me my trainers, Surendra sir. Especially they taught me CCNA and then CCNP also. In between them, I also get trained with Himanshu sir, then Baldev Singh sir. And now after this, after 2 years back, after 2 years, I got I done the CH certification. In this CH certification, my trainer is Yuvraj Singh sir, and they taught me very well. They taught me very well. They provide us very single thing, explain very single thing in very good and good language, so that we can understand. They provide us that CH CH books and all the things like study material they provide us. And when I try to give exam, at that time I'm little bit nervous, like how can I go for global certification? That is very tough exam in such cases. But so Yuvraj sir helped me a lot to resolve my queries, to give me the confidence so that I can give my best in CS certification.
So in terms of CS certification, how you prepare for the certification? What approach you followed for your examination?
My approach is, first of all, I go to the study material which I have provided, which I have get from I-MEDITA directly. Also, I go to my notes which I have made from when the Yuvraj Singh sir started learning to us. Like they are giving video, they are learning to us. I got go through their recordings again and again, so that I need to get my concept queries is concept clear. If I got some query or concept, I will ask that time only. They will help me always. They will ready to help me out. Also, some kind of skill question set they are provided us also for referral, like we can go to that question set, so that it will be helpful to us to giving the exam. And I did practical exam also, like I did practicals, all the practicals they have told us in the whole course. Then I go to the practicals also, so as well as I go to the theory material also.
Fine. Also, in terms of the uh, questions and scenarios, what kind of questions were asked in the examination? Were they practical
uh,
oriented or more towards scenario based, MCQ based?
they are MCQ based. Most of the questions are scenario based and MCQ based. In that case, they are giving us a practical example and ask a scenario based question, and we need to put in that MCQ that four options are there. We need to select one in that. So we need to very confident on that answer. If you are not confident, you are not sure, you can select that. Many of the question answers are confusing, this or that. So in that case, we need to sure about the answer, and we need to select the right one.
Great. So based on your experience here at I-MEDITA from last 2-3 years, as you mentioned, you joined in 2021. So are you happy and satisfied with the services you have got from I-MEDITA?
Yes, I'm definitely happy, and actually, for my senior from college, he joined I-MEDITA first, and he gave me the reference of I-MEDITA. Then I got interest about networking, so I joined I-MEDITA. But after doing CCNA and CCNP also, I got placed in SecureView company, and I got a very good job there. My position is also increasing, and a lot of things I can learn from I-MEDITA, so that there are PD sessions also. I go through that PD sessions, mock interviews, all the things which are done by from I-MEDITA. And especially special thanks to Surendra sir. They taught me very well. My basic concept are very clear because of them. My networking whole concept are very clear, because when we are in his room, if you are not present, like sometimes you are not aware, like you are not present, but they are repeating the whole sentence, they are repeating again and again, so that you have to concentrate on that sentence, and you got cleared. So in such cases, they are very good teacher. And other also, I have teachers, as I told you earlier, like Himanshu sir, Baldev sir, Yuvraj Singh sir, all facilities, all all trainers are very good from I-MEDITA, and the study material. I also want to mention about study material. In that study material, you can get the notes. You don't have to write again and again from live class, because you have got study material from I-MEDITA, and in that study material you can get a very technical and basic language, so that you can understand all the things. So in such cases, that is very helpful.
And if I'm not wrong, in your company, 50% staff is from I-MEDITA only, right?
Yes, yes. 50% staff is from I-MEDITA, and whoever is new joiners, they are also from I-MEDITA, and they are also always talking about, like, in our company, most of the times we talk about I-MEDITA Institute, and their how we are joined there and how we get placed here also.
So based on your experience, how much marks would you give to us out of 10? How much ratings would you give to us out of 10?
I especially want to thank to I-MEDITA. Because of I-MEDITA and 100% placement, I got placed within 4 months, because I did two courses and I got placed in very good company. So I would like to give 10 out of 10 to I-MEDITA.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best for future endeavors. Keep learning, keep upgrading yourself. I would like to
Yes,
appreciate your efforts because 2 years back you did 70% of the course. The remaining course you did along with your job. Now again you are upgrading yourself. You're investing in your knowledge. So keep upgrading yourself. This is required in the IT industry because if you're not upgrading, you will not upscale. You will
yes,
not grow in this domain. Okay. So thank you once again,
yes.
and we wish you all the very best. Stay in touch, keep learning, and all the best again.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.